In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add forms on ClickUp Project Management tool. To get started, open a specific space, folder or list where you want the form to live. This first choice matters because the form will be connected to that location and any submissions will flow into that part of your workspace. So before moving forward, take a quick moment to make sure you're in the right area for the project, team, or workflow you're setting up. Once you're there, look for the Views bar and click the plus sign labeled View. This is where ClickUp lets you add different ways to manage and see your work. Since forms are created as a view, this is the place where the setup begins. After clicking to add a new view, choose Form from the list of available view types. This tells ClickUp that you want to create a form people can fill out, rather than a list, board, calendar, or another layout. It's a simple step, but it's the key to turning task intake into a structured, shareable experience. Next, choose the type of form you want to create. ClickUp gives you several starting options, including feedback form, project intake, order form, job application, IT requests, or the option to start from scratch. If you want a faster setup, using a template can save time. If your process is unique, starting from scratch gives you full control. From there, move into the Build tab. This is where you shape the form itself. Edit the title so it clearly explains the purpose of the form, add a description to provide helpful context, and then customize the questions. Keep your wording clear and specific so people filling out the form know exactly what information to provide. A well-built form usually leads to better, more useful submissions. After building the main content, click Settings to customize the form options. This section allows you to adjust how the form behaves and how submissions are handled. It's a good idea to review these settings carefully so the form works the way you want before sharing it. Once your settings are in place, click Preview to see how the form looks from the user's perspective. This is an important final check. It helps you catch anything unclear, missing, or out of order before anyone else sees it. When everything looks good, click Copy in the upper right corner to copy the form link. You can then share that link with the people who need to submit requests, feedback, applications, or any other information through your new ClickUp form. Thanks for watching.